Magandang good morning po! Melbu of Pinoy Guns reporting. Nandito po ako ngayon sa Arms Corps Shooting Range para i-cover ang event ng Team Alpha First Fun Shoot for a Cause. Okay, ang beneficiaries po natin dito sa fun shoot ng Team Alpha ay ang Lift Babies Foundation. Isa dito ay si Baby Yuki Bellalba, daughter of Mio and Jen Bellalba. Napakaganda po ng layunin ng Team Alpha, no? Dahil charity fun shoot itong nangyayari. Some of the proceeds will go to that foundation. And so far, ang dami ko pong nakikitang mga shooters dito from different teams. Meron from Lag, meron from Quezon City. Ang full support ng Team Alpha and of course, sa inyo mga Pinoy Gunners. Are you ready? Stand by! Shoot na!
Team Alpha started out 2007, August 30. We were formed, actually we started out as 12 guys lang who were members of different gun clubs, and then we just decided to get together and form our own. So may mga stories pa behind it, and siguro I'll just tell it later. We started out as 12. Then we, after siguro a week, we jumped to 17, and then we formed the first group of, actually the founding board of directors. Out of the 17, we had a small election. Actually, ang inuman lang siya. And then the president, the vice president, the secretary, myself, and the treasurer, and the PRO, of course, and the auditor were chosen within the group. And then up to now, ang usapan na lang, 2 years since we started out, wala pa siyang formal SEC documents and all. Then we worked it out. After 6 months, lo and behold, we had our Team Alpha and the professional Alliance of Professional Handgunners name officialized under the SEC. We're a non-profit group, and then we started our operations. Actually, it's a non-profit group naman eh. As of August 14, that was my last count, we are now 156. Out of the 156, we have 26 honorary members, if I can name a few. Mayor Monilagan, Colonel Danny Maligalig, Major Tuliao of Arms Corps are part of the group already. So that's 130 active members, all shooting aficionados. Every week, there is a shoot. Provided na hindi siya umuulan, diba? So if you go to kahit level 1, level 2, level 3, you will find 1 or 2, at least 3 Team Alpha members joining the competition. One big example that we have is the recently held Battle of the Gun Clubs, wherein we won the 2008 Best Gun Club. That is, Team Alpha was voted Best Gun Club because we had the most number of participants in the 3-day event. So this is our latest shirt. If I can show you, nasa likod na, we're really flaunting it, kumbaga. Nag-start kami na we wanted to have a level 1 sanctioned, PPSA sanctioned competition. Tapos during one of our meetings, may lumapit sa amin, actually it's a friend of one of the members. His daughter is suffering from a rare disease called biliary atresia. So ang pangalan niya is si Baby Yuki. She's part of the anong tawag nito? Biliary atresia babies and Babies Foundation, and we decided to donate if not all of, less of course yung cost, no, donate most of the proceeds to her cause. And then during that same meeting also, we have another member who's part of Kiwanis Club of Cainta and asked us to sponsor also a parang gift-giving activity for their foundation, yung Jesus Loves the Little Children Foundation of Cainta. So, nag-co-sponsor kami together with Kiwanis Club, and then siguro next week, after this event, after this shoot, we're going to their home in Cainta, and then we'll give out food, clothes, and then we'll also try to give medicines as well.
We did prepare last June of this year. It's about 2 months in preparation for this. Actually, we had no difficult time in organizing this fan shoot just because most of our group is very active in participating in our weekly forums and weekly meetings held in Santa Lucia, Figaro. It's perfectly doing fine. Yesterday we had around 100 plus participants. Currently we are now counting almost 200 participants.
Good morning, fellow Pinoy Gunners. Ako po ay sobrang tuwang-tuwa at galak na galak dahil nasa tabi ko ngayon ang pinaka-idol ko sa pistol shooting, si Mr. Jetro Junicio.
Morning.
Morning. Jet, how do you find the course of fire sa mga naputukan mo na?
Okay naman actually, difficult ano kasi they use a lot of swinger targets which medyo hindi masyadong sanay saka confusing yung mga courses which is good.
And sa mga naputukan mo na stage, for you, which is the hardest stage for you?
Well, siguro yun isang stage na meron 5 swinger. Kasi medyo reliant ka dun sa swinger, hindi mo ma-dictate yung pace mo, no? So, kailangan maingat ka talaga. Pagka medyo pinabayaan mo, talagang magmi-miss ka dun.
Since tinanong ko sa'yo, which is the hardest stage for you, alin naman yung stage na pinakamadali sa'yo?
I think yung stage 3 kanina, no, na medyo ang takbo mo yung patras sa'yo. So far, I did well on that stage kasi medyo upfront naman yung mga target lang. Ang medyo pag-iisipan mo lang doon, tsaka delikado yung pagtakbo mo patalikod. But overall, so far, that's the best stage for me.
What can you say about this event by Team Alpha?
Well, actually, ito dapat yung mga event na hino-host actually ng mga gun clubs, no? Something that would be helping others like yung ginagawa nila sa mga nakakatulong tayo sa ibang tao, no? So I think we should as a shooter we should support this kind of tournament, lalong-lalo na that it would benefit those who are in need.